What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Tony, and as always, I am accompanied by my good friend Brandon. We do have somebody new in the shop tonight. I'm not going to say she's new, but we do have somebody new to introduce all of y'all to. This is Lilith. Lilith is Jeff's 33 Factory 5 Coupe. Now, Lilith has the same LS twin turbo style setup as we have on the 35 truck you watched us build. She makes right around 1,000 horsepower at the flywheel. Now, she has a very particular diet that consists of built Mustangs, supercars, the occasional kit car, and she really rips it around the track. However, one thing that she loves eating more than anything else are built T56s.
Oh, it's pukey. Oh, yeah, it is. I don't think about that. Get some more of those rags.
Whoa.
Back side of this. Oh yeah, that's well, that explains a lot, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. Go forward again. Or, other way. Shoot up that shaft. That's amazing, actually. There's still some big chunks. That pull weld. Oh God, there's more.
Jeez. So while this one is pretty beat up, we do have a brand new one rated at about twice the power going into the Coupe tomorrow. We want to give a huge shout out to Diedrich Motorsports for hooking us up and giving us a little sponsorship on that. They were one of the main sponsors on the 35 truck, and so when we reached out saying that we really want to get the Coupe back on an autocross track this summer, he was more than happy to help us out.